Hey there YouTube, welcome back to the Fab Automotive Detailing channel. Today I'm going to do a review on the Adams Polishes sample kit. Let's do it. So I bought this sample kit from Adams Polishes because I really wanted to try their products out. Yeah, I kind of jumped the gun when I bought their mystery box because I just wanted to try some of their products out. That way I got a lot of products for not as much as it would have been if I'd have bought it all off their website, because I didn't know anything about their products other than watching videos on YouTube. So after I got those products, and I was really happy with the first shipment, the first mystery box, I guess I should say, the mystery boxes I bought, that I wanted to try out their detail spray. Everybody talks about their detail spray, their waterless wash, their glass cleaner, and some of their microfibers. Well, without trying it, I didn't know if I wanted to buy big bottles of it. So what I did is I bought their sample kit, and this costs $20 on their website plus shipping. So I think it's $25. And you get a lot of things in here. You get their detail spray. These are all 2-ounce bottles. Detail spray, their glass cleaner, waterless wash, their tire shine, and their interior detailer. And this is one thing that I really like. Come back up here. Made in the USA. That's big to me. So that's what you get as far as your liquids are concerned. But then you get a VRT or tire shine sponge. I think that's what they call it. I had to make myself notes so I called their products the right things. Just says block sponge actually. You get a sticker, but I don't have the sticker in the box. And then you get the waterless wash towel, which is actually a pretty big towel. See that right there. It's a waffle weave. It's for their waterless wash. And then you get a utility towel, which not sure what they, probably the glass cleaner I guess would be for that. And then a single soft towel, which that thing is really, really soft. This reminds me of the Griot Speed Shine cloths is what it reminds me of. So the reason I decided to do the sample kit is because, let's say I do like these products, now I have a travel kit. I can put it in one of my cars for when I'm out and I see dirt or whatever, because that's the type of person I am when it comes to my cars. And also getting towels. Let's say I don't like all these products, but I get 3 good microfiber towels. I get this block sponge, which I don't know if I'll ever use, but I just thought it was a really, really good idea, and that's why I went with the sample kit. And I thought I'd just make a video of it. We don't have very good weather still here, and I wanted to make another video, so this is what it's going to be. When we come back, at least it's sunny outside. It's not raining. It's kind of chilly, but it's sunny. We're going to do the waterless wash, the glass cleaner, and the detail spray when we come back. Well, the plan was to do it outside, but we tried it outside. It's too windy. You're not going to hear any audio, and it was blowing the microfiber towels all over the place. So we're going to come back to the garage, but once we get done doing the glass cleaner, the detail spray, and the waterless wash, we'll take it outside for the final results, and hopefully you'll be able to hear what we're saying. So we're going to start off with the glass cleaner first. Spray it on here. I'm just going to use the gray utility towel that was in the kit. I've never used this product. Dries really fast. No streaks, so that's a positive already. As far as smell for the glass cleaner, it just, in my opinion, smells like a glass cleaner. What'd you say it smelled like?
Hand sanitizer. Hand
sanitizer. She says hand sanitizer, my daughter. Go to this window. Okay, kind of get close to it, kind of show them. I don't see any streaks at all. It looks really good. And it does, just for your guys' information, it does say it's safe for window tint, so it must not have any ammonia in it. All these windows look good, but I think the test will be right here. Let's just do the back window. Come stand over here. Show them what the window looks like. Are you picking it up? Mm-hmm. Good. Yeah, it's pretty nasty. This is going to be the test back here because everything off the back tires gets kicked up. Let me turn this light on real fast. Yeah, I don't know if that'll help or not, but okay. Let's do it right here. Go to a clean part of the towel. So this is a clean side, so we'll see how much dirt it actually takes off the glass. What was that? Huh? Did you run into something?
Yeah.
Can you see any of that dirt?
Yeah.
Right there? Okay. Okay. I see 0 streaks. I mean, none at all. Do you see any? I see absolutely 0 streaks. So, glass cleaner works really well. Now what we're going to do, we will go on to the waterless wash. Where's it at? Glass cleaner, where's the waterless? Oh, it's right here. Waterless wash. We're going to do that. And what I'm going to do, we'll do one panel and then we'll put in a time lapse like I did on my last video for the Griot spray on car wash. And then after that time lapse, we'll give you a final look of what the waterless wash looks like. And then we'll do the detail spray and a time lapse. And then show you what the end result is outside, hopefully in the sun. Hopefully the sun will stay out. So then we need the waterless wash towel, which is this one right here. I'm sure you have to shake it. It doesn't say, but I'm sure you probably have to. Okay, so show them how dirty the whole car is. Just walk down the whole car so they can see it's dirty. It's not clean at all. This is the day after I made the Griot spray on car wash, which is on the opposite side of the vehicle. So this side still has the same water spots as the Griot spray on car wash did. Okay. Actually, let's just do this door because I think you can probably get better video of this door. So we're going to spray it on. And I'm sure there really aren't any directions on these little 2-ounce sample bottles, but I'm sure you probably want to saturate it pretty good so you don't get water or streaking or swirl marks. I have no idea what that is. Still don't know what that is. I'm just going to do straight line passes. And then down here in these rockers are where it's always the dirtiest. You see that? That picks up that dirt really good and holds it in the microfiber. Now we're going to go back over with the dry side. Feels nice and slick. Okay, kind of give them a close-up view and then we'll go and do the whole car. Okay, put it on the tripod. I got it. There you go. Put it down. Okay, so I'm going to basically do this whole side of the vehicle in a time-lapse mode. So here we go. Here's the dirt that came off the vehicle. This is one side of the towel. Now you got to remember you're going to have dirty and dry spots because you fold it in fours. And then you can also use the back side. So dirt spots there as well. Give them an overview of what the paint looks like. So overall, let's get down here to the paint. The paint feels extremely clean. I do see just a few streaks, and I think you kind of get that in these waterless washes. That's just been my experience before, but I've only used Griot's waterless wash, so. But I think, in my opinion, I can't believe I'm going to say this, but I think this works better than the Griot spray-on car wash, and it smells really good. I have no idea what that smell is, but it smells really good, and it has a lot of lubricity to it. I mean, you can feel it. It is very, very slick as you're using it, so your chances of scratching are pretty minimal with this product, I believe. So now what we'll do is we will go on to the detail spray, and we'll be back here in just a minute when we do the time lapse. Now you don't have to turn it off, just put it up there. You get it? Make sure the screen's right. There we go. Okay, detail spray.
Needs a lot of shit.
It does smell like bubble gum now that I'm using it. So following the waterless wash up with the detail spray, this is a white towel, so it'll pick up any type of dirt. I just see very few specks. So that kind of shows you how well that waterless wash works. It's pretty clean, actually. So go ahead and do a overview. Paint still is extremely smooth. The detail spray smells really good. I just can't put my finger on what the smell is, but it smells really, really good when you're using it. And from what I understand, it works really good as a drying aid, but I have not tried it as a drying aid. This is the first time I've used these products at all. So I might try it as a drying aid. I just don't know if I have enough left in here. But here's how much. Really didn't take much detail spray. Didn't take much glass cleaner. The waterless wash I used the most of, but not bad at all. So what we'll do when we come back, we will take it out. The sun is out. We'll take it out there and kind of show you what it looks like in the sun. We'll be right back. So off camera, what I did is I did the waterless wash and the detail spray on the hood because the sun's been going in the clouds, and that way you can get the best view of a clean surface with these two products. So my daughter's gonna show you, the sun is out, probably the best it's gonna be. Right now, it's a little cloudy. Step on back here. We can look at our reflections. Get down low. Look at our reflections. Oh, you can't see the screen. That's why you're having a hard time with it. And then going up here to the hood. Kind of stand like right here. And kind of go like this. Hopefully, this product works really well. So hopefully you guys can see exactly what this product does. The detail spray and the Waterless Wash. I cannot see my screen because it's so sunny out, so hopefully it's picking up everything really good. So, final thoughts on the products. Let me get the 3 products I used. I did not use the tire shine or the interior detailer because I already had that for my mystery box, and I had that in previous videos I did on Adam's polishes. Detail spray works really, really well. Smells great. It does not leave any streaks. It leaves the paint very, very glossy. The Waterless Wash I really like. I think I'm going to start buying this after buying this little 2-ounce bottle or the sample kit. I think this works better, in my opinion, than the Griots, and I'm not bashing Griots at all because I love most of their products, almost all their products. But this works really well and smells amazing. The glass cleaner I also really like, and I might start buying this as well. It left 0 streaks on the glass. The glass is extremely clean, just crystal clear glass. So all in all, I am very happy with the sample kit that I got. And like I said, it's $20, $25 or something like that after shipping. So if you're not sure if you want to start with Adams, get that. I now have a travel kit. I can put these in a little, actually I can probably leave them in the box they came in, put them in a car when we go on vacation, and we've got a travel kit for anything. So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you have any ideas of products you'd like to see me do reviews on, whether it's Griots or Adams, leave that down in the comments section. And while you're down there, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.